Hi everybody, this is Dutch at the Mystic Mountain Homestead. Today we're going to talk about 3 different methods that you can use to cut back on your mosquitoes in your water containers or water storage or water dishes. You can use donuts. They look like a little donut that floats. It's about that big around, and you just toss it in your water. It says they're friendly to aquatic life, so it's safe for animals and whatnot to use. We prefer not to use those. We like to try to stay away from that kind of stuff. Another method you can use is apple cider vinegar. You take a half a cup of apple cider vinegar to a container about this size. That's probably about 4 or 5 gallon buckets of water there. But our favorite method is, which is number 3, is goldfish. We love to use goldfish. So what we do is we just buy goldfish. I don't know if you can see them down in there. We'll look. Let's see if we can find a goldfish. Oh, there's some in there moving around. I've seen them. Come on, goldfish. Well, we got goldfish in here. That's what we like to use. They cut that back. They eat the mosquito larvae, and they eat the actual large mosquitoes that they land. So we got some over here, and as you can hear, I'm stomping through water. We've been having lots and lots of rain, and it's flooded out here. Everywhere except for the pad over there, you can see is all dry. Solar panels are all dry over there. Got them up on the roof finally. A bunch of them. So, my favorite method is the goldfish. One, they keep the algae down so you don't have to worry about constantly cleaning out your containers because of the algae. And that feeds your goldfish. You don't want to put more goldfish in there, then it makes your water a little too acidic-y. We probably put about 5-6 goldfish, just a little swimming pool size, about that. Sometimes I'll throw in about 20, but that's only because the geese likes to eat them. I got the water containers in here. I have water catchments going on. It just drips off in here in the barn. And that's what I water all the animals with. Oh, you might be able to see the goldfish real good in this one. It's pretty clear looking. If I can get past that reflective area. Nope, not going to be able to see them. But yeah, we got a bunch of goldfish in here too. And that's all rainwater catches off just the roof. That's what we use to feed the geese, turkeys, cows, chickens, ducks, dogs. All animals on the farm are fed by the rainwater. So that's our 3 methods there. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, please ask in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you pretty fast. I always respond in a timely manner. Like I said, like, subscribe, and until next time, guys, hope you all enjoyed.